Hello, and welcome to the PubMed tutorial. Today we're going to go over some of the basic features, as well as explain how to retrieve full text in PubMed. We need to start on the Medical Center Library homepage. From here, we're going to click the Intro button here, and scroll down to the database icons on the bottom right part of the homepage. And select the PubMed icon here. If you are off campus, you will be prompted to input your link blue credentials for access. As soon as you enter the PubMed homepage, you will find the main search bar here. Underneath the search bar, there are 4 subheadings: Learn, Find, Download, and Explore. Immediately below the basic search bar, there is the Advanced Search button here. For help with advanced searching, please reach out to the Medical Center Library. A new feature of searching is that you can use natural language to create your search query. Instead of typing breast cancer and men, you could instead type breast cancer in men and still retrieve results. So if we conduct that search now, we'll be taken to the search results page, as you can see now. Searching in PubMed shows results in best match as the default sort option. To retrieve the full text of an article, you need to select the article. So I am going to choose the third result when I scroll down to show you. And this will bring you to the article abstract page. Now on the right, choose the View Now UK button below the full text links. Sometimes, like in this first example, you'll be immediately brought to the full text PDF. A better example is the 5th result in this search. So I'm going to go back to the search results and click on that one. Selecting this article and clicking the View Now UK button will bring you to UK's catalog entry for this article. And you can see the catalog entry for it now. Here you will find a link to the full text of the article. That's here where it says full text available. The only way to be able to access full text is by entering PubMed through the Medical Center Library website. If we do not have access to the article, you'll instead see this text, full text, not available. In that case, you might want to get the article through interlibrary loan. The Medical Center Library has its own interlibrary loan service. To use that service, select the Medical Campus Request for Interlibrary Loan link and fill out your ILL credentials here to log in. That concludes our PubMed tutorial. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact the Medical Center Library.